Welcome to Tech Tether. My Netgear Extender failed to obtain IP address. Why Netgear Extender couldn't get IP address? The Netgear Extender is not properly connected to the host router. If your wireless range extender is running on an obsolete version of firmware, then this could be the reason behind the issue that you are currently experiencing. Variations in the frequency channels between the extender and the host router can cause similar problems. An incompatible Netgear Wi-Fi extender and host router also result in the issue. Fix no IP address issue with Netgear Extender. Power cycle Netgear Extender. Perhaps the extender is not able to recognize the connection to the router. Power cycling may help here. You can get through this process by powering it off and waiting for some time before powering it up once again. Assign static IP. If the Netgear extender couldn't get IP address from the host router, then you should try assigning a static IP address by going to the settings via mywifiexd.net. Do the login. After that, click on IP address setup option and change it to use static IP address. Thereafter, assign IP addresses in the required fields manually. After you have saved these settings, everything should be working fine. Fix extender, router connection. Fix the connection between the devices now. If you have used an Ethernet cable to connect them, then examine it carefully. Maybe it needs a replacement. You also need to check the Ethernet ports for any damage. In the event the devices are connected wirelessly, then reduce the distance between them. Maybe the extender is placed outside the network range of the router. Update extender firmware. If your extender is running on an obsolete firmware version and an update is ready to be installed, then get your extender updated right away. You can access the Netgear Extender admin dashboard via mywifiexd.net or mywifiexd.local and then update the extender. Reset the extender. This will erase the current configuration settings from your Netgear extender. Once the current settings are deleted, the factory settings will be restored. Thanks for watching.